Welcome, my name is Esdras Kum, and I have a bachelor's degree in pure and applied mathematics with a concentration in statistics. I use the R programming language to analyze CSV data files. I also have excellent and in-demand Java abilities. I'll be providing a summary of a project I completed for the Center of Epidemiological and Analysis Africa today. My file is located here. This is the RStudio platform, which makes it simple for us to use R software. My file is designed as an RMD file since analysis on it is quick and effective. I can generate a PDF, Word, or HTML file using this form. My chunk codes are in the gray portions, while my analysis and conclusions are in the white portions. Through their connection, I exported the data from the Center of Epidemiological and Analysis website, and it contained repeated values in addition to null values. After cleaning the data, I began my explanatory data analysis. My 6 main concerns were as follows. 1. Relationship between the variables. 2. Examining age groups with stunted growth for significant differences. 3. Examining significant differences between age groups of kids that are underweight. 4. Monitoring the spread of diarrhea cases over the course of the research. 5. Monitoring the dispersion of the deworming regimen during the research period. 6. Comparing Key Area 4 to Key Area 5. Finally, while doing analysis through the data's 47 counties would be time-consuming and unreliable, my final area of interest was to group the data into clusters. So we will need to knit the chunk code to obtain the final output. My final output after knitting is ready. You can see the title beneath it is the author, who is me, and the date. We have a table of content which functions in a similar manner in other softwares, to be specific Microsoft Word. Now let's jump on my first key area. My first key area is checking correlation among the variables, and through the ggli package I managed to calculate the correlations and also draw scatter plots. The scatter plots are not visible enough, hence I did individual correlation and displayed the correlation matrix. There were correlations of concerns, and hence I had to output their scatter plots more clearly. My second key area, which I will combine with key area 3, is the significance equality among the 3 age groups described, i.e. 0 to 6 months, 6 to 23 months, and 24 to 59 months. Since in all these we have 3 variables, therefore I considered doing an ANOVA test, and there are statistical knowledge we apply. There is existence of null hypothesis that states that there is no significance difference among the groups. Existence of alternative hypothesis that states that there is significance difference among the groups. I have highlighted the p-values, and in statistics we tend to reject our hypothesis whenever the p-value is less than the confidence level. Like for our case, we had a confidence level of 0.05, which is 5%, and from the p-values we obtained, they are less than 0.05, hence we reject our null hypothesis. This is well emphasized by the box plots too. My 4th, 5th, and 6th areas was to show distribution of both diarrhea cases and deworming cases as distributed throughout the research period. Furthermore, compare both distributions. I used box plots to display the distributions. My final area was question of interest, which was cluster sampling. I grouped my data into clusters through the k-means principle. We use either Silhouette, WSP, or GAPStat methods to find optimal number of clusters. From my data, I obtained a total of 2 clusters into which I grouped my data successfully. That has been my time. Have the best moment ever. Thank you.